Let's analyze together Mullen Automotive.
Let's see what's going on. Almost plus 20% today. What a day. How will it close this week? Remember to read the disclaimer right here, first of all, and also in the description below. We are in the daily time frame, logarithmic scale. Wow, look at the downtrend that we experienced during these last years. Almost 99.90% more or less. And this breakout right here was a very interesting moment, during April this year. And this level we mentioned in the previous video was a key moment to take a look because it was acting as a past support level. We can see right here, and when it got broken out, the price completely dropped to almost $2. But this time they couldn't break it to the upside. You can see right there the wicks. We could analyze it with more detail in lower time frame later. But what do you think about these guys? Do you think that we will visit with this next movement, this level again, and we will see the breakout? Or do you think that this is continuing to the lower side again? Let us know below in the comments so we can talk about it. Remember to subscribe to Trading HD. Thank you a lot. Let's get started.
Wow, incredible, absolutely incredible what's happening with Mullen Automotive. Remember, guys, that we experienced actually a stock split. You can clearly see right here in December 2023, and that was the last attempt, to stay on Nasdaq. And right now, they are staying in the Nasdaq because you had to be above $1 in order to be in that in that market. So after the huge rebound, it's not safe to say that 100%, but at least for now you can clearly see the trend is like positive in that sense. Like we are far away from the $1 area, and the second uptrend that we are watching right here, that you can clearly see if we draw a line right here, you can clearly see another breakout right now in just today. So very, very interesting, but because maybe we could see the $6.40 area again.
Yeah, it's an interesting breakout. This one, we will see if it closes like this, and we have it closing, in green. And later we will see if it isn't a false breakout, as this one's right here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see with more detail what happened right there, because I think that was a very interesting moment. Obviously, at this level, there was a lot of interest because the support was in the past right there, so it could act as a resistance. And we had this breakout right here first, and it wasn't long ago until, sorry, it didn't pass a long time until it went lower again. It bounced from the kind of support area right here. Another breakout, this time it was like a little bit stronger, but it went lower again, visiting again this level. A third attempt we can see right there with a long wick this time. And the bearish resistance right there acted very strongly, and from there the price started to go lower, and they couldn't go higher until now that we saw this breakout at this lower resistance area that I already drew earlier. So guys, what do you think? I ask you again, do you think we will visit again this $6.40 area more or less around this level, and we will see that breakout? Or maybe we would see the price going lower, or a different scenario? Let us know in the comments below. I think this is a very interesting moment for Mullen. And also we have some breaking news because they have hired a new head of Europe sales.
Wow, they are starting to invest in Europe, and the thing here is like, will they be lucky in this market? Because right now, Europe is there is a high competition. But guys, Neo is also in that market, and Tesla obviously as well, and EV is like a little bit saturated right now in Europe, but maybe they can still make it. Also very, very interesting to see. I remember, guys, Enrique, I don't see like this upturns, these green candles very normal. These spikes they are more than 100% spike in the 1 hour time frame. That's absolutely nuts.
Yeah, completely insane. This volatility is completely crazy. So obviously there is hype in this stock. There is volume being traded, and that's why I want to know in the comments in which side are you guys. Not in a biased way. I want to know the reasons behind it. If you believe that the Europe market will go well for Mullen Automotive, or it will happen as Neo, that they had to readapt it in a kind of that scenario because it didn't go as expected earlier. And what do you think about it? And talking about volume, we have right here, I think I pasted. Let's go to the daily time frame so we can see the chart right there. Yeah, we have the chart of the short interest, and you can see like the volume of this, the percentage is almost 20% as at the 15th of May. And it was during December more or less almost 30%. So it is lower right now, but it is still higher, that another type of companies in this sector. So what do you think also about this data, guys? Do you think this is something negative to take into account? Do you see this as a positive sign? Maybe we don't know it, but the thing is like the short interest is higher than previous months, but also a little bit lower since the highs that we can see right here. Do you think it will go higher again to 30%, or do you think this will continue descending? Let us know that also in the comments.
Yeah, I think there is one explanation right here to this chart, and let's go to the net income, and you can clearly see right now that in the, remember like what happened, you know, like the minus 61 million in the previous quarter in December. That was pretty good, you know, that was pretty good, because if you compare the numbers, look at that. I mean, this chart is beautiful in the sense that, okay, you want to invest in a company that is going to make it, that is reversing these losses, and this is exactly that, you know, because we suffer incredible losses, minus 600 million back in September 2022, but from that point the quarters improve like exponentially. Obviously, you know, the reason maybe that the stock is going down again is the last quarter, you know, it's like it's negative, double the losses in comparison to the previous one, so obviously the market reacts in a bad way.
Yeah, we don't have a forecast to see what the analysts of Wall Street think about the next quarters of this stock. So let us know in the comments your prediction for that and your forecast and your opinion, you know, on the price action side, the technical analysis, and also on the fundamental point of view and this type of data. I think it's a very interesting moment for Mullen. Let us know in the comments all you want to share with us. Remember to subscribe again. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Have a nice weekend. 2 more videos we will upload today. Remember to check them out. And if you did, thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you.
Bye bye.